2024 Four Winds 28Z, your ideal family RV. The 2024 Four Winds 28Z is a Class C motorhome made for families and couples who want a hassle-free and comfortable RV experience. At 30 feet long, it provides a roomy interior that can easily sleep up to 7 people, making it perfect for road trips or weekend getaways. Inside, the Four Winds 28Z is all about comfort and convenience. The living area features a sofa bed, a dinette, and a flat-screen TV for easy relaxation. The kitchen is fully equipped with a stove, oven, refrigerator, and microwave, so you can cook your favorite meals no matter where you are. The bathroom has a shower, toilet, and sink, offering all the essentials for a comfortable stay. The bedroom includes a queen-sized bed and plenty of storage space to keep everything organized. With a starting price of $148,000, the 2024 Four Winds 28Z Airstream eStream concept, the future of RV travel. The Airstream eStream concept is a game-changing fully electric travel trailer that was introduced in 2020. It's designed with a focus on sustainability, comfort, and convenience, offering a glimpse into the future of RVing. The eStream's sleek, aerodynamic design includes a rear-end air diffuser that helps it glide smoothly through the air, improving efficiency. With a 900-watt solar panel array, the eStream can run completely off-grid for long periods, providing the power you need without relying on traditional sources. Inside, it's all about comfort, featuring a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a cozy bed for restful nights. The eStream also comes packed with smart home features, including voice control and remote monitoring, so you can easily manage your trailer from a distance. EleMMent Palazzo on wheels. The EleMMent Palazzo Superior is the ultimate luxury motorhome, where futuristic design meets unmatched comfort and high-tech features. With its sleek aerodynamic exterior and LED lighting, it's a head-turner on the road, but the real magic happens inside. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a spacious living area filled with premium materials. The motorhome features a fully equipped kitchen, a master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, and a cozy lounge to unwind after a day of travel. The Houseboat Classic 180 offers a luxurious and spacious floating home that's perfect for year-round living. With a generous 450 square meters of space, this houseboat provides ample room to relax and enjoy the water. It's powered by 2 engines, giving it a cruising speed of 10 kilometers per hour and a top speed of 16 kilometers per hour, making it easy to explore the waterways at your own pace. Designed with high-quality materials, the Classic 180 boasts a modern look and feel. The living room features a stunning glass wall that offers incredible views of the water, creating a perfect space for unwinding. The kitchen is fully equipped with all the necessary appliances, while the bedrooms are roomy and cozy for a good night's sleep. One of the highlights of the Houseboat Classic 180 is its spacious terrace. It's large enough for a dining table, chairs, and sun loungers, making it an ideal place to relax or entertain guests while enjoying the outdoors. Priced at $643, the Classic 180 combines comfort, luxury, and practicality. Leisure Wonder, your home on the road. The Leisure Wonder is a luxurious Class C RV built on a Ford Transit chassis, designed for those who love to travel in comfort and style. Its sleek design and spacious interior make it the perfect home away from home for your adventures. Inside the Leisure Wonder, you'll find everything you need to feel right at home, from a fully equipped gourmet kitchen to comfortable seating and a cozy sleeping area. Whether you're cooking up a meal or relaxing after a day of exploring, this RV has it all. One of the standout features of the Leisure Wonder is its modern tech. It comes with a Wi-Fi extender and a powerful generator, so you can stay connected and powered up wherever your travels take you. Whether you're exploring national parks, enjoying a weekend getaway, or simply hitting the road, the Leisure Wonder offers the perfect balance of luxury and practicality. It's an unforgettable experience that combines comfort with adventure, making it ideal for those who want to travel in style. Mercedes RV Armadillo Conqueror T23, the ultimate adventure RV. The Mercedes RV Armadillo Conqueror T223 is the dream RV for anyone who loves adventure and luxury. Built on the tough Mercedes-Benz Rocks 8x8 chassis, this RV can handle any rough terrain while giving you the comfort of a high-end home. With a starting price of 10.88 million yuan, around $1.6 million, it's a perfect blend of performance and luxury. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a spacious living area featuring a cozy U-shaped dinette, ideal for relaxing after a day of adventure. The kitchen comes with all the appliances you need to cook your favorite meals while on the move. The bathroom includes a separate shower and toilet for privacy and comfort. Plus, the bedroom ensures a peaceful night's sleep, no matter where you are. Whether you're tackling off-road trails or just enjoying a luxurious getaway, the Conqueror T223 offers everything you need. Morello Grand Empire 26T, the ultimate luxury motorhome. The Morello Grand Empire 26T is the definition of luxury on wheels, designed for travelers who want the best of comfort, style, and technology. With German engineering at its core, this motorhome offers the perfect balance of elegance, space, and cutting-edge features. Inside, the Grand Empire 26T feels like a high-end home. The interiors are outfitted with the finest materials, including luxurious leather seats and sleek wood finishes, giving the space a sophisticated, welcoming feel. The two-level layout ensures there's plenty of room for everything you need, from relaxing to dining and entertaining guests. With a price tag of around $900,000 in the US, the Grand Empire 26T is built for those who want to travel in style and comfort. Whether you're planning a long road trip or a short weekend getaway, this motorhome offers a luxurious experience on the road. The NL exclusive S650 is a luxury motorhome made in Sweden by NL Motorhome, built on the powerful Scania S650 chassis. It's known for its top-notch quality and customization, designed for people who want to travel in complete comfort and style. Whether you're going on a short road trip or a long adventure, this motorhome offers everything you need. It comes in different layout options and can sleep up to 8 people, making it ideal for families or group travel. Inside, there's a large living area, a slide-out section that adds extra space, and a fully equipped kitchen where you can cook just like at home. The bathroom includes a proper shower, so you don't have to give up comfort while you're on the road. Some models even come with a garage to carry a small car or motorcycle, giving you more freedom to explore once you've parked the RV. Under the hood, it's powered by a 16-liter V8 engine with 730 horsepower, offering both strength and smooth driving. The New Camp 2022 Cirrus 820 is a lightweight and versatile truck camper that fits most midsize and full-size pickup trucks. Weighing in at 5,200 pounds with a gross vehicle weight rating of 700 pounds, it's designed to be durable while remaining easy to tow. With dimensions of 21 feet 5 in long, 8 feet wide, and Stockton at 9 feet 11 in tall, this camper offers just the right amount of space without being bulky. Inside, the Cirrus 820 comes fully equipped for a comfortable camping experience. It features a 2-burner stove, sink, refrigerator, microwave, and a wet bath for all your essentials. The dinette conveniently converts into a bed, offering extra sleeping space when needed. Plus, with its built-in solar power system, you can keep your batteries charged while off the grid. The OTAG 620T is a tough and stylish camper, built for people who love adventure and off-road travel. Made with a strong yet lightweight aluminum frame and riveted construction, this camper is designed to handle rough conditions while keeping you safe and comfortable. Whether you're exploring remote areas or just enjoying a weekend road trip, the OTAG 620 gives you everything you need for the journey. Inside, the camper is surprisingly roomy and can be customized to fit your personal style and travel needs. It comfortably fits up to 6 people with a cozy queen-size master bed, a convertible dinette that turns into a bed, and a bunk bed for extra sleeping space. There's also a full kitchen with all the basics and a bathroom with a shower and toilet, so you can enjoy all the comforts of home while out in nature. Whether you're traveling with family or friends, the OTAG 620 offers both luxury and practicality. It's perfect for those who want a reliable and feature-packed camper that can go almost anywhere. Starting at $125,000, this camper brings comfort, freedom, and adventure, all in one powerful package. PodX Go Grande S1, flexible living on the go. The PodX Go Grande S1 is a game changer for anyone who wants flexibility in their living space without sacrificing comfort or style. This innovative home can expand from a compact 140 square feet to a spacious 364 square feet in just 15 minutes, giving you plenty of room to live, relax, and entertain. Fully furnished, the Grande S1 comes with everything you need: a cozy living area, a well-equipped kitchen, a bedroom, and a bathroom. It's towable with a Ford F-250 or a similar vehicle, and you can set it up on site in no time, just 15 minutes. It's perfect for those who want quick, easy, and convenient living. Built with high-tensile steel and rigid polyurethane, the PodX Go Grande S1 is both reliable and safe. It also supports off-grid living, thanks to solar power solutions from Renogy, so you can live sustainably wherever you are. The Scania EQ Horsebox is a game changer in horse transportation, offering a perfect blend of luxury, power, and sustainability. Built on Scania's innovative electric platform, this zero-emission vehicle operates quietly, reducing stress for the horses during their journey. The horse area is spacious and thoughtfully designed, featuring secure stalls, non-slip flooring, and advanced climate control to maintain the perfect environment for the horses. Whether it's a short trip or a long haul, your horses will travel in comfort. But it's not just about the horses. The Scania EQ Horsebox also offers a luxurious living space for riders and owners, with modern amenities and elegant finishes that make life on the road enjoyable. It's like a mobile home on wheels, designed for comfort and convenience. Weighing 26 tons, this high-tech horsebox sets a new standard for eco-friendly transportation in the equestrian world. SLRV Man Commander 4x4 Adventure Meets Luxury. The SLRV X Man Commander 4x4 is the ultimate two-story motorhome designed for thrilling off-road adventures. It blends powerful performance with luxurious comfort, making it perfect for explorers who want to experience the wild without giving up on style or convenience. Built on the sturdy MAN TGM 4x4 chassis, the Commander 4x4 is ready to take on tough terrains, offering durability and strength to handle any challenge. Whether you're driving through mountains, forests, or remote tracks, this motorhome won't back down. Inside, it's all about luxury. The spacious living area feels like home, with a modern kitchen to cook up meals and advanced off-grid systems like solar power and water filtration, ensuring you're fully equipped for long trips in the wilderness. The SLRV X Man Commander 4x4 is the perfect choice for those who want to combine rugged adventure with top-notch comfort. The STX Elia Edition 1 is a top-of-the-line luxury motorhome that redefines the travel experience. Designed by famous Italian yacht designer Vittorio Peroni, this motorhome combines a sleek, modern exterior with a spacious, luxurious interior. Step inside, and you'll be surrounded by high-quality materials like soft leather and polished wood, giving it a refined, elegant feel. The kitchen is fully equipped with premium appliances, perfect for cooking while on the road. The bathroom is designed to feel like a spa, with sleek fixtures and a roomy shower. The lounge area is designed for comfort, with cozy seating and soft lighting, creating the perfect place to relax after a day of adventure. Plus, it comes with the latest entertainment technology, so you can enjoy your travels to the fullest. Whether you're going on a long road trip or a weekend getaway, the STX Elia Edition 1 offers the ultimate in convenience and luxury. It's the perfect motorhome for those who want to travel in style and comfort, with everything you need for an unforgettable journey. The TaylorMade Tour truck is like a dream workshop on wheels for pro golfers. It travels to golf tournaments worldwide, giving top players instant access to the latest TaylorMade clubs, gear, and expert services, all in one place. This massive double-decker truck is built for performance, convenience, and comfort. Inside, it offers 450 square feet of space, filled with everything a golfer might need. The first floor includes a professional fitting area, multiple hitting bays, a putting green, and a comfy lounge where players can relax. Whether they need a quick adjustment or a brand new club built on the spot, it all happens here. The second floor adds to the luxury, featuring a meeting room, a small kitchen, and private lockers for the players. It's a quiet space where golfers can strategize, unwind, or enjoy a snack between rounds. Vario Signature 100 Luxury on the Road. The Vario Signature 1200 is a top-tier motorhome built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, offering unbeatable luxury and style. At a massive 12 meters long and weighing 26 tons, this motorhome is a true powerhouse on the road. It also features a huge garage that can easily fit a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT, making it perfect for car lovers. Inside, the Signature 1200 is designed for comfort and convenience. It can comfortably fit up to 6 people, with a spacious layout that includes everything you need for a premium travel experience. The kitchen is fully equipped with a refrigerator, stove, oven, and dishwasher for easy meal prep. The bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and sink, ensuring you have all the essentials while on the road. The bedroom features a queen-sized bed and a wardrobe for plenty of storage space.